Hey there, fellow history buffs and travel enthusiasts. Welcome to Time Travels with Glen. Get ready to embark on an extraordinary adventure as we journey through time, exploring some of the most iconic and historically significant destinations across Europe, Asia, and the Americas. From the ancient ruins of Greece to the majestic temples of Asia and the lost cities of South America, each location we visit holds a unique story, a glimpse into the past that has shaped our world today. Get ready to be amazed. Our epic journey begins in Athens, the birthplace of democracy and the cradle of Western civilization. Imagine walking among the ruins of the Acropolis, the sacred hill crowned by the majestic Parthenon. This iconic temple, dedicated to the goddess Athena, stands as a testament to the architectural and artistic brilliance of ancient Greece. As we wander through the Agora, the ancient marketplace, we can almost hear the echoes of philosophers like Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle engaging in lively debates that would shape Western thought for centuries to come. From the temple of Olympian Zeus to the theater of Dionysus, where drama was born, Athens is a treasure trove of ancient wonders. Make sure to visit the world-renowned Acropolis Museum, home to a wealth of artifacts that bring the history of this incredible city to life. As we explore the streets of Plaka, the oldest neighborhood in Athens, we'll savor the flavors of traditional Greek cuisine and soak in the vibrant atmosphere of this historic city. Next, our time machine takes us to Rome, the Eternal City, a captivating blend of ancient grandeur and modern vibrancy. Our Roman adventure begins at the Colosseum, the most famous amphitheater ever built. Imagine the gladiatorial contests, the roar of the crowd, and the drama that unfolded within its walls. Just a stone's throw away is the Roman Forum, the heart of the ancient city, where temples, government buildings, and bustling markets once thrived. Be sure to toss a coin in the Trevi Fountain to ensure your return to this captivating city. No trip to Rome is complete without a visit to Vatican City, the smallest country in the world and the center of the Catholic Church. Stand in awe of Michelangelo's breathtaking frescoes in the Sistine Chapel and marvel at the grandeur of St. Peter's Basilica, a masterpiece of Renaissance architecture. From ancient ruins to Renaissance masterpieces, Rome is a feast for the senses. Welcome back, fellow explorers, to Berlin. This city, once a symbol of division, now stands as a beacon of unity and resilience. As we journey through its streets, we'll uncover the layers of history etched into its walls, from the Brandenburg Gate to the remnants of the Berlin Wall. Imagine standing in the shadow of the Brandenburg Gate, once a symbol of a divided nation, now a potent reminder of reunification. Feel the weight of history as you walk along the East Side Gallery, a living testament to freedom, adorned with vibrant murals that capture the spirit of change. We'll delve into the city's complex past, exploring the Reichstag building, a symbol of German democracy that has witnessed both triumph and turmoil. Our journey also takes us to Checkpoint Charlie, a poignant reminder of the Cold War, where East and West once stood face to face. But Berlin is more than its past. It's a city pulsating with modern energy, a hub of art, culture, and innovation. We'll experience its vibrant street art scene, savor its culinary delights, at bustling markets and soak in the atmosphere of its trendy neighborhoods. From the grandeur of Charlottenburg Palace to the poignant Holocaust Memorial, Berlin will leave an indelible mark on your soul. Join me as we discover the spirit of Berlin, a city that has risen from the ashes, stronger and more vibrant than ever before. Get ready to be inspired, folks, because Berlin is a city that will stay with you long after you've said, Auf Wiedersehen. Greetings from Kyoto, the cultural heart of Japan. Prepare to be transported back in time as we immerse ourselves in the serene beauty and ancient traditions of this captivating city. Imagine strolling through the iconic Fushimi Inari Shrine, its thousands of vibrant red torii gates winding their way up the mountainside. Picture yourself amidst the Zen gardens of Ryoanji Temple, where carefully raked gravel and strategically placed stones invite contemplation and tranquility. We'll wander through the enchanting Arashiyama bamboo grove, the sunlight filtering through the towering stalks, creating an ethereal glow. And in the Gion district, we'll catch a glimpse of geishas, the epitome of Japanese elegance, gracefully navigating the narrow streets. Kyoto's culinary scene is a feast for the senses as well. We'll savor the delicate flavors of traditional kaiseki cuisine and learn the art of the tea ceremony, a ritual steeped in history and symbolism. From the golden gleam of Kinkakuji Temple to the peaceful serenity of Kiyomizu-dera Temple, Kyoto is a sensory feast that nourishes the soul. Join me as we delve into the heart of ancient Japan, experiencing its timeless beauty and cultural treasures. Get your cameras ready, folks, because Kyoto is a photographer's paradise, offering endless opportunities to capture the essence of this magical city. Hello from the heart of Cambodia, where we're about to embark on an unforgettable adventure through the awe-inspiring temples of Angkor. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the secrets of this ancient civilization, swallowed by the jungle for centuries. Picture this: the sun rising over Angkor Wat, its iconic silhouette reflected in the surrounding moat, bathing the temple complex in a golden glow. It's a sight that will take your breath away. We'll explore the intricate carvings adorning Angkor Wat's walls, depicting stories from Hindu mythology and offering glimpses into the Khmer Empire's grandeur. Our journey continues to Angkor Thom, the last capital of the Khmer Empire, where we'll encounter the enigmatic faces of Bayon Temple. We'll wander through the overgrown ruins of Ta Prohm, where nature has reclaimed its dominion, with giant tree roots intertwining with ancient stones. From the intricate carvings to the sheer scale of these architectural marvels, Angkor is a testament to the ingenuity and artistry of the Khmer civilization. Join me as we unravel the mysteries of this lost world, marvel at its architectural wonders, and imagine the lives of those who once called this place home. Get ready to step back in time, folks, because Angkor is a journey into the heart of Southeast Asia's rich history and a true wonder of the world. Hey, fellow explorers, Glen is here, and we've landed in Beijing, a city that pulsates with history and culture. Our first stop? The legendary Forbidden City, a name that sends shivers down your spine, doesn't it? For centuries, this sprawling palace complex was off limits to ordinary folks like us. Can you imagine that? But fear not, my friends, because today we're waltzing right in. This architectural marvel, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, was home to 24 emperors, from the Ming to the Qing dynasties. Picture this: over 9,000 rooms, intricate courtyards, golden roofs shimmering under the sun. It's enough to make your head spin. As we wander through the Hall of Supreme Harmony, imagine the emperors holding court here, making decisions that shape China's destiny. Every corner whispers tales of power, intrigue, and the passage of time. We'll stroll through the imperial gardens, designed for quiet contemplation, a stark contrast to the bustling city outside. And of course, no visit to the Forbidden City is complete without snapping a selfie at the iconic Gate of Heavenly Peace. Trust me, you'll want to capture this moment. So, join me as we unravel the mysteries of the Forbidden City, a place where history comes alive. Greetings from Peru, adventurers. Glen is here, and get ready to be wowed because today we're conquering Machu Picchu, a lost city nestled high in the Andes Mountains. This, my friends, is bucket list stuff. Now, reaching Machu Picchu is an adventure in itself. We'll hop aboard a train that winds its way through the sacred valley, offering breathtaking views of towering peaks and lush landscapes. Imagine the Incas, centuries ago, traversing these very paths. As we ascend into the clouds, anticipation hangs in the air. And then there it is, Machu Picchu, a breathtaking spectacle of ancient ruins perched precariously on a mountain ridge. It's like stepping back in time. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is shrouded in mystery. Was it a royal estate, a religious center, or a secret fortress? We'll explore the Temple of the Sun, the Intihuatana stone, and the Temple of Three Windows, each structure whispering tales of a civilization lost but not forgotten. As we soak in the panoramic views, the spirit of the Incas feels palpable. This, my friends, is what travel dreams are made of. Hey, travel buddies, it's Glennis, and we're standing in the heart of the Yucatan Peninsula, ready to explore the awe-inspiring Chichen Itza. This ancient Maya city is like stepping into a history book, a testament to their incredible knowledge of astronomy, mathematics, and art. Our first stop is the iconic El Castillo, also known as the Temple of Kukulkan. This massive pyramid dominates the landscape and is a masterpiece of engineering. Just imagine the Maya people climbing these very steps centuries ago, their chants echoing through the plaza. As we wander through the Great Ball Court, the largest of its kind in Mesoamerica, I can almost hear the roar of the crowd and feel the energy of the game. The acoustics here are incredible. A whisper at one end can be heard clearly at the other, showcasing the Maya's architectural genius. We're now at the Temple of the Warriors, surrounded by hundreds of columns, each one intricately carved with depictions of warriors. These columns once supported a massive roof, creating a shadowy and awe-inspiring space. It's incredible to think about the ceremonies and rituals that must have taken place right here. The Maya civilization was incredibly advanced with a complex understanding of the cosmos. At the El Caracol Observatory, we see evidence of their astronomical prowess. This unique structure allowed them to track the movements of the stars and planets, predicting eclipses and solstices with remarkable accuracy. Chichen Itza is more than just ruins. It's a living testament to a vibrant culture that thrived for centuries. As we leave this incredible site, I'm filled with a sense of wonder and a deep respect for the ingenuity of the Maya people. Howdy, explorers. Glen is here, and get ready to be amazed as we journey to Mesa Verde National Park in Colorado, home to the ancestral Pueblo people. Imagine building a thriving community high within these canyon walls. Look at these cliff dwellings, carved right into the sandstone cliffs. These intricate structures, some dating back over 700 years, provided shelter from the elements and protection from rivals. Can you imagine the skill and effort it took to build these homes with the limited tools they had? We're now at Cliff Palace, the largest cliff dwelling in North America. This intricate complex housed over 100 people and contained over 150 rooms, all connected by a labyrinth of passageways and ladders. It's like a vertical village ingeniously designed to make the most of the limited space. As we carefully climb the ladders and explore the rooms, I can't help but feel a connection to the people who once called this place home. Imagine their daily lives, their hopes, their dreams. It's humbling to think about the generations who lived, loved, and thrived in this challenging environment. The resilience and adaptability of the ancestral Puebloans are truly inspiring. They were masters of their environment, using their knowledge of agriculture and building techniques to create a sustainable way of life in this arid landscape. Mesa Verde is a powerful reminder that even in the most challenging of circumstances, human ingenuity and spirit can prevail. It's a place where history comes alive, and we're left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. Well, folks, it's time to say goodbye for now, but the spirit of adventure never ends. From the Acropolis to Mesa Verde, we've journeyed through time, exploring the wonders of our shared human story. Remember, every corner of this planet holds a story, a secret waiting to be uncovered. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep the spirit of adventure alive. Until next time, happy travels.